Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my current lockdown craving, which is these coconut cookie crisps thing. I am well and truly hooked to these things. I've been making them all week. This is my third time making them, so I thought let me share with you guys the recipe. I'm starting out with sunflower seed flour, but you can also use almond flour, dried shredded coconut, brown rice flour. You can use oat flour instead of brown rice flour. And to sweeten this, I'm using date paste, but you can use sugar or maple syrup or whatever sweetener you use. And then the final thing is a nut butter of your choice. I'm using peanut butter here. So you can all the substitutions. I'll list that in the description box as well as the measurements I'm using to make these. And then the aim is just to mix everything together. You want to make sure it looks moist. So as I was mixing this together, I could tell that it wasn't moist enough, so I went in and added a little bit more date paste. If you're not using date paste, you will need to use like water or a bit of milk just to combine the dry ingredients to something liquidy. So this is what I didn't need to do that because I'm using the date paste, and the date paste has got a bit of water in it and it's like a soft puree. Then I'm going to combine this all together, and once it's coming together like a bit of a dough, I'm just going to start rolling it into like little cookie balls and then place them on a parchment lined baking tray. And then I'm just going to use my fingers to press on them to flatten them into flat cookie thins. I don't know what to call them. Also, let me know in the comment section, what are you craving during this current lockdown? I remember the first lockdown just craving lots of sweet things, and now in the UK we're on a second major lockdown and I'm craving sweet things again. So this is why I'm making these. Well, I have been making these all week. So here I'm just flattening the dough balls into, ideally you just want them to be roughly the same kind of thickness so that they will cook at the same rate. And then you're going to pop these in the oven at 160 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. These are the baked cookies. Altogether I had 15 of them, and this is just a close-up of the cookies. They weren't completely soft and they weren't hard and dry to the point where you could snap them and hear like a crunch. So if you want these to be softer, just leave them in the oven for less time. So just have them in the oven for less time. And I don't know how to get them to be super crunchy and snap and dry, but I like them as they are. If I can get them drier, then that would be perfect. But these were nice golden color. Some of them got a little bit burnt around the edges, and that's because I was on the phone. But the timing of 10 to 12 minutes should be ideal. These were in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm just showing you what the insides of them looked like. Yeah, so these are my current cravings for this lockdown. If you're brand new here, do remember to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.